Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. India hits new COVID jab milestone. Delhi to reopens polls third wave fear keeps authorities on alert. Key points. India hit a major milestone by administering over 1 crore COVID-19 vaccine doses in a single day on Friday. Prime Minister Narendra Modi congratulated the citizens and the health workers for the achievement. As per the latest Ministry of Health and Family Welfare data, India inoculated 1,64,032 on Friday, the country's highest single day count so far. The total COVID-19 vaccination coverage in the country has now crossed 62 crore. While the centre on Thursday asked Kerala and Maharashtra to consider night curfews in areas with high COVID-19 case numbers, it advised Maharashtra government to also consider imposing local restriction in views of festivals. India achieved the historic milestone administering over 1 crore COVID-19 vaccine doses in a single day on Friday. Biden warns Kabul airport attackers. Pentagon says one suicide bomber involved. A day after back-to-back suicide attacks killed over 103 people, including 13 US soldiers, the Pentagon said the Kabul attack was carried out by one suicide bomber. Even as evacuations are on, US soldiers forced to evacuate Afghans desperate to flee new Taliban rule were put on alert for more attacks on Friday. Taking a dig at US President Joe Biden, former President of US Donald Trump said that had he been the President of the United States, the attacks would not have happened. Government of India too mentioned a majority of Indian nationals who wish to return from Afghanistan have been brought back to India. The ministry, while condemning the deadly suicide bombings outside Kabul airport on Thursday, said that it is carefully monitoring the situation in the neighboring country. The Kabul airport attack, which killed 13 US troops and at least 79 Afghans, was claimed by Islamic State militants. The Islamic State Afghan affiliate ISIS Khorasan has emerged as an enemy of both the West and of the Taliban. The attack marked the first US military casualties in Afghanistan since February 2020. According to a report by Politico, US officials in Kabul handed over the Taliban a list of names of American citizens, green card holders, and Afghan allies so they could be granted entry into the Taliban-controlled outer perimeter of the Kabul airport. The Ministry of External Affairs said a majority of Indian nationals who wish to return from Afghans has been brought back to India. This comes after the suicide bombings outside the Hamid Karzai airport in Kabul on Thursday, which killed over 100 people and left dozens injured. While reports claim that 2 more explosions went off in central Kabul after the airport blast, there was no official confirmation over the same. Jaish-e-Mohammed chief meets Taliban leadership, seeks help in Kashmir. Sources. Pakistan-based terror outfit Jaish-e-Mohammed chief Maulana Masood Azhar was in Kandahar in the third week of August after the Taliban took control of Afghanistan to seek their support in fomenting terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir, sources said. Masood Azhar met Taliban leaders including Mullah Abdul Ghani Baradar, the head of political commission. Masood Azhar sought help from Taliban from JEM operations in the Kashmir Valley. A message is also being circulated among JEM functionaries at its markers at Bahawalpur in Pakistan, greeting each other on victory of the Taliban. The Taliban and the Jaish-e-Mohammed are considered ideological comrades in the interpreting Sharia and the Islamic law. Following the Deobandi school of Sunni Islam, Jaish-e-Mohammed has been active in carrying out terror activities in Jammu and Kashmir since it was founded by Masood Azhar since its release in 1999. The flight was then taken to Kandahar in the Afghanistan where the Taliban were in power back then. Soon after the hijacked plane landed in Kandahar, the Taliban formed a circle around the Airbus, making sure that they remain in control of the situation till terrorists including Masood Azhar were released by the Indian government. There was been speculation that the Taliban's returns to helm of affairs in Afghanistan may push terror activities in Jammu and Kashmir for their past connection with the Jaish-e-Mohammed. However, the Taliban recently said they would not allow the Afghan territory to be used for the terror activities directed against any country.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.